Hey everybody, it's Miss True Redbone. I'm wired. I've already had a cup of coffee. I think I'm gonna go for round number 2, but this is gonna be a motivational clean with me. With this corona stuff going around, y'all, I don't know if y'all know or y'all aware, your girl has some compulsive behaviors, and germs is just not, I can't be having them. So I've been bleaching everything. I put bleach in my Dawn. I don't buy the Dawn with bleach. I want to add my own bleach. So I put Dawn in my bleach. I mix Mr. Clean and bleach together in a Windex bottle for cleaning everything. Doorknobs, toilet seats, you name it, I'm spraying it. But I had already started cleaning my bathroom, you guys. So I said, you need content. Go ahead and make a motivational clean with me. So we're gonna go ahead and clean up the master bedroom right now. I've already cleaned the 2 vanities in the bathroom, the jacuzzi tub, the shower. Just a fun fact about my household. My husband is the one who likes to take showers. I'm the one who likes and needs to soak in the tub because of the fibromyalgia. So for all my fibromyalgia people out there, fellow sisters in the disorder, hey girl, hey, we got this. We are going to persevere. But anywho, I need to dust in here. I need to hide my snacks because, yeah, at night, you know, I probably get the munchies. I think my medications, medication, causes me to have a bit of the munchies. So I'm gonna dust everything, get rid of stuff that needs to go. Y'all gonna follow the speed clean with me, and hope that it motivates you to get up and sanitize your house. Y'all, I've been on one. I'm questioning people like, no, you can't have anybody spend the night. No, I really don't want any of your friends to come over right now.
Are you tired of school throwing you in a classroom?
If you go anywhere, please don't touch anybody. Don't shake hands. Don't get in people's faces. And I really prefer for you not to go. Can you stay here with mom? If this is a safe environment, as long as we don't bring anybody in it, I have a problem. But let's go ahead, get this clean with me started. Hope that it motivates you to get up and get to sanitizing. I'm trying to decide if I'm going to go ahead and finish the bathroom. Y'all, my grandson broke my tripod, and I wish I could only see how it's rigged. But let me give y'all a scan of how the room is looking right now and how the bathroom is where it is. Like I said, I've cleaned the 2 vanities, the jacuzzi tub, the shower. I'm about to hit the base of the shower outside where it gets a little dusty. I need to clean the toilet in there, and we're just gonna see how far we go. I'm hot already, so I really wanted to be lazy today, but my mind wouldn't let me be. So let's go ahead and get this started. I'm going to listen to something while, So it might be a little booty rump shaking going down, We'll see. All right, let's get to cleaning. Y'all, I told y'all I was already hot. I had to put that little fur I got up on the top of my head in a clip. hydrate, hydrate, honey, hydrate. So right here I'm just, dusting down the side tables, trying to hide my snacks so y'all can't see them. So you guys, I have horrible knees, so I found these knee pads that I can put on whenever I'm on my knees, as far as cleaning, dusting, all of that fun stuff. So they are so helpful, so helpful. So anyone out there with bad knees like I have, or just for comfort when you're cleaning houses, get you some of these knee pads. I mean, they are makes everything so much easier. No pain. So, what I just did was sanitized the remote to the sleep number bed, y'all. I ain't something wrong. I'm telling y'all, I got a compulsive behavior. Just a thought. And if anybody is around me that is already sick, best believe I'm gonna get it. So now I'm over there on my husband's nightstand dusting. These leggings, y'all, man, dog, they did not want to stay up. I need a belt. Maybe I should have put a belt on, y'all, with my leggings. But one thing that I definitely have found in the new house is there is always something to clean, something to do, something to organize in this house. I think I cleaned today for probably 5 or 6 hours. So if you need a good workout, good way to sweat, go ahead, get up and get to cleaning. I definitely hope that it's motivation for somebody, who was... Yeah, that's grandson, y'all. Aiden waiting. I had to tell her to take him away so I could finish cleaning. Look at him. He see himself. Y'all, he had to pull his Mercedes in the video. He said, "Hey, Gigi, let me show them what I'm rolling. Let me show them what I'm rolling in." Yeah, I'm telling you, me and them pillows fight every day. They don't. Don't y'all wish we could really clean this quickly? Man, do y'all know how much we would get accomplished in a day? Okay, y'all, so mission accomplished with the bedroom. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish up the bathroom now. I need to Windex this door. I already cleaned the inside of the shower. I'm gonna go ahead, I already shined up my tub, all of that. Like I said, I cleaned the fixtures, did the mirrors. I need to do that toilet. Vacuum in here. I need to get this wax up. I wasted my wax burner on the floor. That's an easy fix. You can use like an old type of either credit card or something that you can just scrape the wax up with. Easy peasy. I'm gonna go ahead and vacuum out this room. Dust, because I use baby powder, y'all, so it's powder everywhere. Yeah, and I'm about to jam out until I get through in here. So hope this motivates you to go ahead and clean your bathroom. I pretty much did everything. I just need to finish up in here, and I'll check you in a moment. Yeah, I'm trying to find something to jam to real quick. But I'm looking at myself. The older I get, the more I look like my mama. There's my famous bucket, y'all. Everything. Y'all saw that toilet paper? Boobies, tatas, tiggle bitties, tits, whatever you call them. I hope you ran out and got yours. Better be safe than sorry, you guys. I don't know about y'all, but my kids are out of school basically until further notice. They're making it so that they can get their work offline or study offline. I know y'all hear my kids, my grandson in the background, y'all. He won't let me live. But, alright, so right here I'm cleaning all the colognes because they were dusty, y'all. I couldn't do it any longer. I can't stand, so anything that is chrome, stainless steel, metal, glass, I have to clean it. It needs to be shined up, wax on, wax off. Look at him, y'all. He won't never let me be. So right here, I'm just dusting off all my husband's colognes and gonna go ahead and dust down this stand. I got a problem. They had to be a certain way, y'all. That's something wrong with me. That cologne bottle is a cigar, shaped like a cigar bottle, y'all. I forgot the name of it. If you know, put it in the comments. Look, I wish we could clean that fast, y'all. Y'all know how much we'll get accomplished? So right here, y'all, I just go around the edges, the base of the sink, the vanities, and get up all that dust and or curly, hair, whatever's on the floor, pubes, whatever you want to say. I go around and get all that up. So for those of us who hate to bend, I usually take the broom and dust off all of the baseboards to get that dust, because dust buildup is horrible, y'all. I'd rather get it while it's little than a lot. So this is where the knee pads come in handy, y'all. And when I clean the toilet, I love cleaning toilets, by the way, because I just know that I'm getting that bacteria good and gone. But when I clean toilets, I get elbow in. I'm cleaning whatever crevice I can get to, spraying it down. So I I usually get down there, get on my hands and knees, and that's why I vacuum first. So when I'm down there, I'll just go ahead and wipe down the behind the toilet, on the floor of the toilet, you know, while I'm there. Why not? See that toilet paper? Okay, everybody, we're almost finished. Almost finished. My battery keep dying. Yeah, this was a long video, but I'm gonna speed it up so it's long for me and not for you. So let me go ahead and finish up this bathroom. I'm gonna mop, lay my rugs, and we're finito, kaput, finished. No more, done. Okay, let's go ahead and get done, y'all. Okay, so what I normally do in this bathroom, y'all, is I'll go ahead and use this neat mop that I got off of Amazon. The bucket is actually the neat part of it. One side holds clean water, and the other side is for you to for dirty water. So I really like this mop. It's easy to use. I have Mr. Clean and bleach in that bottle, so when I spray, I just go ahead and mop really quickly behind it. It comes with like 4 changeable what is it called, you guys, the mop head or whatever. So yeah, it's just a quick, easy mop. And I usually boil my mop water, you guys, so that you can easily get scum and everything up off the floor, anything sticky. But y'all, this is the end of this video. Thanks for hanging with me as long as you did. I'm just straightening out a few things. I'm done in here. I feel confident that it is sanitized. Hope this was a great motivational video for anybody who sees it. Get up and clean with me, y'all.